What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold Monday and Tuesday. We didn't sell a whole lot of stuff today. I think we sold like 4 items because yesterday, when I did my shipping, I did it on Monday instead of Sunday, and I actually sent some of the stuff that would have been on Mondays, so I actually showed you on the video on Sunday, or Monday. Yeah, we'll get it right. And remember, this summer, you know, I was without air conditioning most of the summer, and it was like 90 degrees in here. Well, today I come in, they have my thermostat on 65, and it doesn't sound very cold, but it's freezing in here. I can almost see my breath, it feels like. So I had to throw my coat on, it's so cold. But hey, here's what we sold. Sold a Police Academy. It was a 4-pack. Well, there's 3 and 4. There it is. We bought this at the Dollar General for $1.25. It was brand new. We sold it for $17.49. Sold Roots, the Next Generation. We bought this at the pawn shop for $1.50, and we sold it for $17.99. A Christmas Choir DVD. There we go. Christmas Choir DVD, brand new. We bought it at the pawn shop for $1. We sold it for $8.99. There again, seems like clockwork. Every week or so, we sell one of these Brian Christopher autographs. We had Brian for an autograph appearance a few months before he died. I would have had about 50 more of these signed, but him and I had a little disagreement why he was at the signing and he didn't sign about 50 of them that he was supposed to sign. But I'm glad to get what I got. And like I said, these are awesome photos. Like I said, I love that photo. But we sold it for $15, best offer. I've had a lot of people ask me how I ship media. There's 1,000 ways that you can ship media. I'm not saying my way is the right way, but my way is the way I've been doing it for over 20 years. Anyway, I just sold this. It was brand new. This went for $17. I have one of these. This is a real nice padded envelope. They're a little more expensive than the cheaper ones, but the cheaper ones are really bad, but these are really nice. I just slide it in here and just seal it. There it is. It's ready to go. Now all I have to do is print a label, and it's ready to ship out. That's all I do for a DVD. But like I said, make sure you get these good padded envelopes. Now, if this would have been a movie that was like over 30 bucks, like usually $30 or more, what I'll do is I'll take a piece of cardboard. Let me find another movie. But I'll take, like, here's the movie. I'll take a piece of cardboard and I'll wrap the cardboard all around the movie, and then I'll stick it in a bigger thing. That way I'll give it added protection, and I'll have bigger pieces of cardboard too, so it will cover up the whole thing. That way, you know, you'll have this inside of one of these and it's double protected, but that's only if it's like $30 or more. I've never had well, I can't say I've never, maybe 1 or 2 problems in the past 30 years just shipping it this way. But I want to be extra protected if it's $30 or more, because sometimes I'll sell a DVD for like $100. And CDs, every single CD that I sell, even if it's $5, I wrap cardboard around the CD just like that, and I stick it in the thing, because the CDs, the cases crack really easy, so you'll get a lot of irate customers if you don't do their CDs that way. Now, if, you know, like a t-shirt or something, all I do is you just put it in one of these, seal it up, and send it out. That's all you do. And I have a Dymo printer, so cover up the addresses, but you know, it just prints the label. I usually put the label over top of this to try to help make it stick a little bit more, and throw it over here. It's ready to go. And as far as like 8x10s, you see I sell a lot of 8x10s. 8x10s, I take one of these top loaders, an 8x10 top loader, put the 8x10 in here, and then I get these photo mailers, which I just sold an 8x10. I sealed it before I could show you guys. But put this in here, and this is a hard cardboard. So it's very, very protective. And I put do not bend on it, and that's how I send out my 8x10s. Well guys, hopefully that helps you a little bit. Like I said, I've had a lot of people ask me how I ship certain things. If you guys have any kind of questions at all, or ideas you want me to do some videos on, just let me know. Man, I'm open for anything. I'm here to help you guys out. Like I said, I know when I first started out reselling, it was kind of tough. You didn't really know what to do. When I first started eBay, people had to show me the ropes back in '97, you know, how to do things, and I've been doing it for a long time, so if you need some help, just let me know. I'm here. But hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like. If you subscribe, please hit all. That way you can see all my videos. We're trying to get up to 1,000 subs right now. We're almost at 700. We're probably gonna do some giveaways pretty soon. So thanks a lot guys. Peace. All right, we sold our Breakfast Club 4-pack. Here we go. It was brand new. We bought it at the pawn shop for $1, and we sold it for $14.99. What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold the last couple days. This is Larry. I've been a full-time reseller since 1997, and we sell a variety of things: DVDs, Blu-rays, video games, T-shirts, hats, books, anything you can think of. We show you what to sell, what we sell, so that way when you see stuff, you can sell it. So let's see what we sold. DVD called Tiger Walks or something. It's a Disney film. Let's see where it is. I know I just set it in here the other day. I just moved everything around a little bit ago. I just added another like 100 DVDs. Okay, hold on. There it is. I didn't write a Tiger Walks. I just wrote Tiger Walks. No wonder I couldn't find it. It's under the A's. I just stuffed a bunch of movies in here. Now I can't get it out. This is one of those movies you gotta look out for. It's used, and we sold it for $21.99. We paid $1 for it at a pawn shop, so keep your eyes out for that one. We sold a game which we used to have sitting right here, but the funny thing is, there it is right there. We bought this game the other day for $1 at the thrift store. It was brand new, sealed. We sold it for $14.99. And the funny thing is, this sold. We just listed this the other day. Took about 2 days to sell. It's all the SummerSlam anthology. It's all the wrestling shows from '88 through 2007 of the SummerSlams. We picked that up at a pawn shop, I think for $5. We sold it for $89.99. It was used. So when people say, hey, should I be selling DVDs? Yes, you should. Don't ever pass up the DVDs. Always scan them and see what they sell for. Doesn't take that much time. We sold 7 Asian films. I have no idea where this is. I was thinking it was right here. I need to start paying attention. I wrote down 7 instead of 8 film collection. That's why I couldn't find it. It's this one right here. We paid $1 for it at a pawn shop. It was new, and we sold it for $8.49. We sold a Tatanka 11x14 photo. I think it's right here. That's Tatanka against Lex Luger. I'm trying to remember. I think we paid about $10 for this a few years ago. We sold it for $19.99, so we didn't make too much money after we ship it and pay fees. But hey, it's gone. I have a lot of people say, should I be selling clothes? Yes, you should. Every time I get sick of it, I sell something like this. This was an all-over print. This shirt was probably worth well over $100. It sat in my store for, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks. Had several offers on it. I was kind of wanting to get $100 out of it, but I went ahead and took a best offer of $79.99 because it's been sitting here a little while and I paid $2 for it. So yes, you should be selling clothes, but be really picky of the clothes that you sell, because clothes are a pain in the butt to list and to measure, and everybody's always complaining because, oh, it doesn't fit, oh, it's boxy, or it's blah blah blah, whatever excuse they have. But when you sell a shirt like that you paid $2 for $80, it's well worth the complaints and the problems and stuff and the returns or whatever. But like I said, I say sell clothes, but be very selective of what you pick. All right, guys, that's everything we sold. Hopefully you had a good weekend, and like I said, we didn't sell a whole lot of stuff, and it's not the weekend. But anyway, I'm tired. Anyway, hopefully you had a good last couple of days, but we'll see you around. Make sure you like, and make sure you sub and hit all. That way you see all our videos. Have a good one, guys. Peace.